Give you a few minutes of combine action, I guess. I'll walk up a little closer since I'm right here where they're working at. So, combine operator doesn't like to be on camera, but he'll get over it. He knows I can put these videos up on YouTube and make a few cents off them, so what the hell. There you go. 6130 8-row Drago GT 7240 on a 710 cart. Takes him a good ways to get around this field. It's over 1.5 miles from one end to the other. It takes about 20 minutes to get from one end back, make his whole full round. And usually the cart will be empty by the time he gets all the way to the other end of the field, so he's got to drag it all the way back. But that's just one of them things. We're making do. Just a little slow going, but we'll keep plugging away at it. Channel corn's been doing good for us, so you guys want to hear anything else, I'll keep sending some videos. Just got to sit and wait a while, so it don't do me any good to burn the video off for 20 minutes, a half hour to wait for something to come back. So anything else you guys want to know, comment, rate, subscribe, anything else, you know, I'm trying to come up with some more content ideas, and we're getting there slowly but surely. Just not a real steady thing with my videos coming, because some days are good and some days aren't, and bad days I don't need to share bad days with people, because we all have our bad days and understand that. Part of farming.